Garmin smartwatches like the Forerunner, Phoenix, and Venu have limited internal storage, typically between 64 megabytes and 256 megabytes. This storage is shared by the operating system, pre-installed apps, user data, and Connect IQ apps. This limited storage is divided among several components: the operating system, pre-installed apps, your personal data, and Connect IQ apps. When your watch's storage is nearly full, around 90% or higher, installing new apps can fail. This results in error messages like insufficient storage or app installation blocked. This video will guide you through fixing this problem. Garmin devices have fixed internal storage shared between the operating system, Connect IQ apps, fitness data, cached activities, and downloaded maps. Apps range from small watch faces at around 50 gigabyte to complex training apps over 5 megabytes. Managing these components is essential for installing new apps. The storage allocation includes the operating system at about 25%, Connect IQ apps taking 20%, fitness and cached data using 30%, and maps consuming 25%. High-end models like the Phoenix 7 have more capacity, but can still face limitations with multiple apps and extensive data. Small apps like watch faces use minimal space, while larger training apps require significantly more. Even with larger storage, accumulating data and apps can fill available space quickly. This watch shows typical usage, and the Connect IQ store displays available apps that contribute to storage usage. Understanding these allocations helps in effective space management. The easiest way to free up space on your Garmin device is through the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. This method allows you to manage apps and data directly from your phone. First, open the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. You'll see the main dashboard with various health metrics and activities. Next, navigate to your device settings within the app. Look for the menu that allows you to manage your connected Garmin watch. In the device settings, locate the Connect IQ apps section. This is where you can manage all the third-party apps installed on your watch. Here, you can view all installed apps and their storage usage. Identify apps you no longer use and uninstall them to free up space. Additionally, consider deleting old activity history from your watch. Activity data can consume a significant amount of space, so removing outdated entries can free up considerable storage. By following these steps in Garmin Connect, you can effectively manage your device's storage and resolve installation issues. For advanced users, Garmin Express desktop software provides more control over app management. First, connect your Garmin watch to your computer using the charging cable. Next, open the Garmin Express desktop software on your computer. Once Garmin Express opens, select your specific Garmin device from the device list. Then, navigate to the Connect IQ apps section in Garmin Express. Here you can selectively install or uninstall specific apps and data fields. This helps avoid installing entire app suites that consume more space. This method gives advanced users more precise control over their device's storage, allowing you to install only the specific functionalities you need. Garmin introduced the Storage Optimizer feature in firmware version 18.15 and later for select devices. This automated tool simplifies storage management by scanning your watch for unused apps, cached data, and old activities, then suggesting deletions to free up space. The optimizer automatically identifies items that can be safely removed, such as rarely used apps or accumulated cache files, helping to maintain optimal storage levels. To access the storage optimizer, first ensure your watch is running the latest firmware version 18.15 or higher. You can update through Garmin Express software or the Garmin Connect mobile app. Once activated, the optimizer runs automatically in the background, identifying and suggesting deletions. You can choose to accept these suggestions to immediately free up storage space. Additionally, the Garmin Connect app will send notifications when storage optimizations are available, allowing you to automatically delete suggested files with a single tap. Garmin is pioneering cloud-based storage integration to solve storage limitations. Through app streaming features, data-heavy applications can run partially from the cloud, significantly reducing the amount of space needed on your device. Currently, installing multiple apps can fill your device's storage to 90% or more, causing installation failures. But with cloud streaming, the local footprint drops dramatically. Apps connect to the cloud, streaming data as needed while keeping only essential components on the device. This can reduce storage usage by up to 60% for data-intensive apps. This technology is similar to cloud streaming services you may already use, like online video or cloud storage platforms. Garmin's implementation brings these benefits to wearable apps. While app streaming isn't universally available yet, it's a promising trend that will alleviate storage constraints in the future. Stay updated with Connect IQ and firmware releases to access these features when they become available. Imagine a marathon runner with a Forerunner 265 who couldn't install the Strava integration due to 200 megabytes of cached GPS data. The watch's storage was nearly full at 90%, preventing the Strava app installation. By using the storage optimizer, they freed 50 megabytes in minutes, dropping storage usage to 40%. This enabled Strava installation and improved battery life by 20%, reducing the watch's processing load. This example illustrates the practical benefits of proactive storage management. Experts emphasize proactive storage management to avoid installation issues. Keep your firmware updated to access the latest optimization tools and automated features. Looking ahead, future devices may feature expandable storage or larger internal memory. Garmin plans AI-assisted storage management to predict user needs and automatically delete redundant data. Sarah Thompson, Garmin VP of Software Engineering, stated that their 2026 updates will make issues like this nearly obsolete. Look forward to more fixes.